Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a rainbow hibiscus tutorial. This was a very easy set to do for me, and I hope that it's easy for you if you want to try it. So what I begin to do is I just placed all of my colors for my French tips on the palette. I wanted to start with the lighter colors, and then for the blooming effect I'm going to use darker colors, but right now I'm just starting with the lighter colors. We can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you Once I've done that, I decided to go ahead and place my darker colors onto the palette as well. So for my index finger, I wanted to try to create a darker yellow, because I didn't have one. And so I decided to take an orange gel polish and then a white gel polish as well. And then I mixed them, but I didn't like the color, so I just decided to scrap that and go ahead and just use the plain regular orange gel polish. And then for the white gel polish that I just placed in the middle of the palette, that's going to be for the hibiscus flowers. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this. This is some blooming gel that I got from Shein, and I'm just going to use that and place it only on the French tip part of the nail, because I don't want the darker gel polish to get on the non-French tip part. By the time I got to my middle finger, I knew that I needed to redo my thumb and index fingers because the spots on them weren't as big as I'd like them to be. So I did go off camera and fix the thumb and the index finger after I got done with the rest of the nails.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture of me. I'm sorry you chose to stay. Big mistake, I played the game. Should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
I just want to say that I did cure the nails one at a time. So after I did one nail, I cured it because I didn't want to try to do all of the nails at once and then the spots just blend in together too much to where you can't even tell the effect. For the hibiscus flowers, you need a dotting tool, and what you're going to do is you're going to make 3 dots for each section, 1 dot on top and then 2 dots in the bottom corners of the dot on top, and you're going to form it. You're going to do it to where it forms a star after you're done.
You don't even know.
Next, you're going to need a very, very thin liner brush, because if you have a liner brush that's too thick, then you're not going to be able to see the lines in the middle of it because it's all going to blend together. So make sure your liner brush is thin enough. And what you're going to do is, I decided to dip my liner brush into the white gel polish just a tad bit, so only a little. And then you're going to take the liner brush and drag from the dots towards the center of the flower, and you're just going to create small lines. And I forgot to say this, but also make sure that the 3 dots that you created, the one on the top and then the one on the 2 in the bottom corners, make sure those are connected, because if they're not connected, then you're not going to get the hibiscus flower look.
That's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone. Got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. Go, why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Yeah, me casa su casa. Got it strip it like Gaza. Got so high on volcanoes. Now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the head is so high, girl, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies.
Now I'm going to take that same dotting tool and I'm going to place a dot in the middle of the flower. And then from that dot, you're going to take your thin liner brush again and you're going to dip it into the white gel polish and create a line that's going from the dot in the middle to however long you want the line to be.
Hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm gonna be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
I felt that the nail needed something more because there was too much space at the top of the nail, so I just decided to do this little floral design, if you can call it that. It's just, I just drew a line coming down from the corner of the nail, and then I drew dots on the sides of that.
Depending on whether or not it's worth it, so insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame, we blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell, cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing, whatever happens. Assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up, 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 hold up.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
These are the nails. I hope you guys like them. I like them. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.